Welcome back in Perth.
So magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Muli niyo po akong samahan para panoorin itong naging laban ni Albert Pagara. Laban dito sa Australianong boksingero na si Billy Polkinghorne. Ang labang ito mga kaboksing ay naganap noong March 7, 2026 sa bansang Australia. Bago ang bakbakan, itong si Albert Pagara ay may veteran professional boxing record na mayroong 37 panalo, may 2 talo at may 26 na panalo by way of knockout. Samantala itong kanyang kalaban na Australiano na si Billy Polkinghorne ay may undefeated naman ito. May undefeated professional boxing record na mayroong 5 panalo. Wala nga itong talo at may 2 panalo by way of knockout. At sa labang ito ay pag-aagawan ng 2 bakanting WBC Australasia Lightweight title. So round 1 po tayo mga kaboksing. So nag-miss po doon ang left ni Albert Pagara. So mukhang nagkakasukatan pa po dito sa round 1.
Just trying to sound each other out. Billy Polkinghorne goes to the stomach.
So kung titingnan nyo, mas malaki po ang katawan ni Pagara, mas may laman.
Trying to cover up.
Mas mataba po eh.
And the jabs
Kung titingnan nyo. Samantala ang Australiano po ay
Still not letting Billy set up
may kaliitan ng katawan pero bato-bato po ito.
a nice good start.
Kumpara doon sa katawan ni Albert Pagara.
all the time. So of course measuring the distance between the two.
So tingnan po natin ang magiging performance nitong ating kababayan. Good job coming from
Guard into the face.
Polkinghorne.
Pagara.
Pagara sort of showed
Ang labang ito mga kaboksing ay 8 rounds bout.
you don't want to be like nosing.
Good job again coming from Polkinghorne. Good to the body
Two.
by Polkinghorne. At matapos magbato ay umatras ito agad. Nag-backstep.
He's not called the hammer for nothing.
Good yun.
Pagara is
Tumama po ang left punch ni
was there.
Polkinghorne doon.
Too many blows like the
Sumuntok sa katawan at nagbitaw sa ulo ni Pagara.
another good one under the
Good right coming from Polkinghorne. Sa katawan po yun.
Very relaxed, not doing too much, but doing exactly what he needs to do.
So sumusugod po ang ating kababayan na si Pagara pero
Polkinghorne.
hindi naman po siya masyadong nagbabato ng kanyang suntok. So siguro ay hindi pa niya mabasa itong
Like this fight. And
galawan nitong kanyang kalaban.
again,
Good one to combination coming from Polkinghorne again.
good left hook. Took the glove though of Pagara. He almost gave a little
So
smile as if to say,
alright, end of round 1 po tayo mga kaboksing.
Pagara up first, but just told to return to his corner. Bouncing on his
Start of round 2 tayo mga kaboksing.
battle.
So sa previous round, maganda po ang mga patama ni Polkinghorne. Tingnan po natin sa round 2.
Pumping out the jab.
Good job coming from Albert Pagara.
Retaliate.
May ganti din naman na job itong si Polkinghorne. At multiple jobs po ang binibitawan nito.
Good jabs from Billy.
Tatlong job.
Staying patient, waiting for someone.
So ito, patuloy po na sumusugod itong si Albert Pagara. Good left coming from Pagara.
Pagara.
Again, 1-2 combination coming from Pagara. Pero
They can feel those
may suntok din po doon na binitawan itong si Polkinghorne.
two have something. It's back pocket.
He certainly opened up a little bit as Polkinghorne came.
Sa gloves naman po tumama yun.
Was quick with his hands.
Good job coming from Polkinghorne.
Good right hand, but Pagara got the right hook.
Good exchange po doon. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam mga kaboksing, itong si good exchange.
What is it?
Good up
Ayun.
from Polkinghorn as
Good right coming from Pagara.
Exchange it. Polkinghorn.
Itong si Polkinghorn mga kaboksing ay tumalo na rin ito ng isang Pinoy na ang pangalan ay si Jumar Paliwen at tinalo niya ito via unanimous decision. So isang Pinoy na po ang tinalo nitong Australian boxer na si Polkinghorn.
this boxer.
Good one to combination
Brother.
coming from Polkinghorn.
Jason. They started boxing, I think, together though at the same time.
Yeah, so a lot of good heart there.
Ayun, tumama po ang left hand doon ni Polkinghorn, pumasok po sa mukha ni Pagara.
This fight.
Got to be patient though.
Good job coming from Albert Pagara.
All right. Look how
Good exchange.
game then as well.
Good one to combination coming from Albert Pagara. Ito,
Body punch once
to
more.
the body naman ang binitawan ni Polkinghorn. So kaliwang suntok po ang idinukot sa katawan sa Pinoy.
All right. Just dropping his gloves a little bit lower now so he can attack. It's very much high gloves defensive for most of the first round.
You can definitely tell his experience.
Good left again coming from Polkinghorn.
Not showing too much.
Alright, end of round 2 tayo mga kaboksing. Start of round 3 po tayo mga kaboksing.
And I would say Billy currently leading at the moment.
So sa tingin ko mga kaboksing ay
I think Billy Lady
mas lumalamang po
too early.
sa scorecards itong si
Next few rounds.
Polkinghorn.
Pagara will start seeing him open up.
Si Albert Pagara naman, nakikita ko parang nag-aantay lang siya ng suntok. Pero hindi naman siya masyadong nagka-counter.
Chest
So
off.
ayun,
Right hand.
kaso lang nag-miss.
Right hand
Good to the body coming from Polkinghorn.
from Polkinghorn.
Upstairs to downstairs.
So sumuntok si Polkinghorn sa ulo pero mukhang sa gloves po tumama.
He's so well. Almost
Kaya ang follow-up niya ay sa katawan.
with the top. Hook from
Good to the body by
Some bodies, but
Albert Pagara at ito ginantihan lang din naman siya ni Polkinghorn. Good one to combination coming from the Australian boxer.
Pagara, though, the speed of his punches is still
Mukhang namumula na po ang mukha ni Albert Pagara dito.
there's not.
Namumula na po ang kanyang
Even though
kaliwang pisngi.
it is from Billy's jabs, he's still looking good. There's not much.
So ito ay binababa pa ni Albert Pagara ang kanyang depensa.
he was running along the Swan River and he thought it was actually the beach because he couldn't believe it was such a large expanse of water. He's not the first to think that.
Both still setting things up there.
So mukhang matipid po itong dalawang boksingero ngayon sa kanilang mga suntok at ito nagbitaw po dito si Albert Pagara ng
Missed with the
left
hook to the
punches niya na tumama naman sa ulo ni Polkinghorn at sa katawan.
Oh, that's a good left.
Good attack coming from Polkinghorn. Yun, tumama po ang left and right uppercut nitong Australian boxer.
To cover up. Oh, wild swing.
At may mga short left and right punches din itong si Polkinghorn.
Both boys still pretty onto it. Both reacting.
Good job coming from the Australian boxer.
But if either of those blows had hit, they would have felt them.
So far, hindi ko pa po nakitaan si Albert Pagara na tumama po ng solid talaga. Ayun, tinamaan na naman siya ng left hand coming from Polkinghorn. Tingnan natin kung
Distance there. Getting close to
ano nga ba ang plano dito ni Pagara. Again,
Just put a little bit
good left coming from Polkinghorn.
more.
End of round 3 tayo mga kaboksing.
To gloves at the end of round. Youth National Championships.
Start of round 4 po tayo mga kaboksing.
A lot of experience worldwide.
So, base po sa experience, sa
So we're now in round 4.
obserbasyon ko po mga kaboksing ay mukhang
Again, he's-
mabagal po ang galawan dito ni Albert Pagara.
and it's fun
Hindi po masyadong nagka-counter
as it
at wala pong masyadong diin ang kanyang mga suntok.
Making it seem like nothing.
Samantala itong si Paul Kinghorn, napakasipag po magbato. Ayun, kita nyo?
big punch again.
Actually, minsan po, mababa po ang depensa nitong si Paul Kinghorn.
Behind
Pero hindi naman po kasi nagbibitaw itong ating kababayan ng kanyang mga counter punches.
to show how good or bad this has been. We haven't really seen the referee involved at all yet.
These big shots, they're only millimeters off.
Good right coming from Albert Pagara.
Yes, yeah.
Ginantihan naman sa katawan
Pagares
nitong si Paul Kinghorn.
didn't, but it clearly did. Usually when a boxer does that, you know it hurt them.
That's the poker face. He's
Good job coming from the Australian boxer.
but really tough as well. The hammer.
Tumama din naman ang jab noon ni Albert Pagara. Pero in terms of jabs po mga kaboksing, mas masipag pong magbato ng jabs itong Australian boxer.
Trying to control the center of the ring. We haven't seen him doing that really before, but he's trying to move Polk.
Good one to combination coming from Albert Pagara, pero ginantihan lang din naman siya
Is it enough?
nitong kanyang kalaban.
Oh, good.
Good uppercut. Good right uppercut po coming from the Australian boxer. Again,
Just trying to
ang jab po pumapasok
get
po.
away from his eyes was
At mukhang walang nagagawa si Albert Pagara sa mga jab ng kanyang kalaban.
your eyes.
Yun, umaatake po dito ang ating kababayan at tumama po ang kanyang left hand.
Game, the jab, so many different varieties, and Billy's showing that in
Yun.
set all these second attacks.
So dapat ay iparamdam ni Albert Pagara
Most important.
ang pressure sa kanyang kalaban, pero I think hindi po ginagawa ni Albert Pagara yon.
Slow down again a little bit towards the end of this round. It looks like his eyes are beginning to
So ibang-iba na po ang galawan ni Albert Pagara
predict it was gonna.
mula ng hawak siya noon ng Ala Boxing promotion.
Away from those jabs.
So nang mapunta siya sa ibang
There was a solid one that time.
handler ay kita naman natin mga kaboksing ang diferensya ng kanyang galawan. Actually parang nawala na sa kanyang aggressiveness, yung killing instinct niya
Trouble.
mukhang nawala.
Fourth round.
Ito natapos na naman ang round 4 at
Breaking through.
I think lamang po dito ang Australiano.
That air in.
But at the same time, Filipino's poker face, he might be settling something here. His experience, Billy knows that. He's using his jab correctly.
Start of round 5 po tayo mga kaboksing.
Stop it.
Tinigal po.
Trying to move the ice off the ring because there's several lumps of ice.
Alright,
Little ice trick.
laban na po. Resume na po tayo.
Yep. So every
So napansin ko mga kaboksing, mukhang may swelling po sa
Like it.
kanang mata nitong si Albert Pagara.
isn't it? Anything to do.
So in terms of pagkontrol ng laban at pagdikta ng tempo
Prince is looking at
ng laban ay mukhang nasa kay Paul Kinghorn po. Good right coming from Albert Pagara. Ayun. 1-2 combination na naman ulit ang tinanggap ni Albert Pagara doon.
Win tonight.
At ito
Could set his career.
pulang-pula na po ang mukha ni Albert Pagara.
As he said in one of the interviews with Pathway, anything will be possible.
So sa base po sa
Worlds is always tough.
naobserbahan ko ay kontrolado po nitong si Billy Polkinghorne
It's phasing good.
ang every round po
Quite a bit now as he opens up.
sa kanilang bakbakan.
Not too close, although as soon as he closes his guard, he does.
So ito good left coming from Polkinghorne. Hinahayaan po ni Albert Pagara na
And sound like they hurt.
pumasok itong kanyang kalaban sa kanyang depensa.
A low blow, yeah.
Low blow daw po.
There as well.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'm not surprised that
Good job coming from
said, but it was
Polkinghorne.
caught him on the cup.
Yeah, I think ref just on the wrong side of that corner there. Couldn't get a clear view. But Pagara's still boxing well. Hasn't let that phase him roll, but
Good left
Punches there.
coming from Polkinghorne. Gumanti naman itong ating kababayan sa katawan.
That was a little bit low from him.
Good uppercut
Guts three.
coming from Polkinghorne. Sunod-sunod po yun.
both fellas giving each other good body work.
Good to the body by Albert Pagara.
It was a dangerous cutting punch from
So,
scything.
yung sipag ni Albert Pagara sa pagbabato ng kanyang mga powerful punches ay hindi po natin nakikita sa labang ito. At ito nagpapasuntok. Good left coming from Albert Pagara.
Pagara
Good right again.
to the top with a
Galing kay Pagara.
caught Polkinghorne. Got Pagara off the ropes. Back out into the center of the ring.
The Prince with his hands low. Let's see what Billy's going to do here. Good jab.
So, ito, tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo, mga kaboksing. Nag-aantay lang po si Pagara.
Punch that was not.
Wala po siyang
It's going to be a nice setup.
instinct ng pag-atake
Going to the end way.
sa kanyang kalaban. End of round 5, mga kaboksing.
Francisco, trainer of Amnet, 9-time world IBF champion, so a bit of experience in that realm. Also,
Start of round 6 po tayo, mga kaboksing.
Billy being world class.
So, sa previous round, again, it was a dominant performance coming from Polkinghorne. In terms po of mga powerful punches, mukhang nasa kay Polkinghorne. Mas marami po ang kanyang ipinapatamang mga suntok.
Got a good tough chin. He's got been hit and
Samantalang si Albert Pagara ay mukhang relax pa.
Find something soon.
At ito, nagbabato po siya pero hindi naman po tumatama ng maganda.
Clearly, Polkinghorne's done his
So in terms of experience,
position.
di hamak ko na mas eksperyensyado po itong ating kababayan.
Let's go round the back.
Good to the body coming from Polkinghorne.
Good tap
Good chopping
and again.
right hand coming from Albert Pagara.
Danger punch, I see.
Ayun.
Scything blow that sort of-
Ayun, tumama po doon ng sunod-sunod ang
It's landed
right hand ni Albert Pagara.
a couple of times.
Good left to the body from Pagara again.
Billy,
Ito, gumaganti din naman si Polkinghorne.
I think you can see it.
Ito ang maganda kay Polkinghorne. Once tumatama po si Albert Pagara, ay gumaganti din naman siya.
Pagara dropping
Kumbaga sa ay sinusuklian po niya.
and again.
Kung ano ang bato ni Pagara,
His own left hand jab. Got it.
agad po siyang may
Billy just can't.
iginaganting suntok.
Good right hand.
Good right coming from Albert Pagara.
Getting his head with those hands low.
Good job naman coming from Polkinghorne. Ito, nagpaulan po ng mga suntok si Polkinghorne.
That right from Pagara
At napaatras po ang ating kababayan.
rather than a straight round hook.
Knuckles turning over. Billy's got a
Oh, strong and
Hindi masyadong tumama ang mga suntok na yon galing sa Australian boxer.
was going to get him on the canvas.
I thought the same. But Pagara, experience, tough.
Good left coming from Polkinghorne.
Boxing. One punch can change the game. Good jab. Good jab.
Good job coming from Albert Pagara.
Low from Pagara now.
And Billy brings up with 2 jabs in the cross and to the body.
Good to the body by Polkinghorn.
And again, a great combination to the head. Pagara
Nagpapasuntok po.
ropes, but then he.
At
It's not a knock.
mabuti at hindi binilangan, ano? Mukhang napaupo doon ang ating kababayan, napaluhod.
He didn't think it was a knockdown either.
I think he's happy with that decision.
Yun. Ang ganda ng counter punches ni Polkinghorn.
And sorry, perfect face. Staying on task, Billy. Good jab to the body.
Alright.
That is the
End of round 6 tayo mga kaboxing.
Jab.
Start of round 7 po tayo mga kaboxing. So far, nananatiling kontrolado po nitong si Polkinghorn ang laban.
right.
Tumama po doon ang right hand ni Albert Pagara.
Horn's defense.
So round by round,
He's always saying
lamang po, mukhang lamang po itong Australian boxer. Good left coming from Polkinghorn. Good to the body again coming from the Australian boxer.
punches to the body.
May mga short uppercut po doon itong ayun. Gumanti ang ating kababayan pero tinamaan din naman ng uppercut. Good left uppercut again coming from Polkinghorn.
Left little hook, 2 hooks again from Billy. Little short ones around the ears.
So
See,
again, round 7 na po tayo pero hindi po natin nakikitaan si Albert Pagara na nagbitaw at tumama po ng solid punch.
around his ears.
Wala po.
After 8.
May mga counter punches siya pero hindi po damaging.
Both firing the jab at the same time.
Hindi po makaka-impress
Set the range.
ng mga judges itong kanyang mga suntok.
The right hand, but it's more of a cuff than a clean punch.
So ito, sumusugod itong si Polkinghorn.
Sliding, he's looking for something set up, but Billy's staying patient.
At mukhang
Good jab, just
good job coming from Polkinghorn. Good to the body again. Galing sa Australiano. At ito, ayaw sumuntok ni Pagara.
working well. Beautiful right uppercut that time.
Chipping away loudly in the body, the head, the arms, he's opening up. Good left.
Good right coming from Pagara. Pero
Oh, that
ito, nagpapaulan po si Polkinghorn ng kanyang mga suntok.
Blocking some, taking some.
At ibinababa po ni Albert Pagara itong kanyang depensa. At naobserbahan ko nagpapasuntok po sa previous round. Mukhang nagpapasuntok po si Albert Pagara.
jab.
At napaluhod pa nga siya doon. Mabuti at hindi siya binilangan. So naaalala ko tuloy ang isa sa mga previous fight ni Albert Pagara laban sa
A double jab. Got
European boxer na isinuko niya ang laban
Having a pretty good
claiming na may shoulder injury siya.
so I think it's gonna take the cake this fight.
Pero I think sadyang nagpatalo po itong si Albert Pagara sa laban na yon.
It's gonna make the distance. It's gonna make all the difference.
his jab has been superb, you have to say.
That's the end of
End of round 7.
One round.
And 8 round na po. Pang-8 round na po
The Australia
sa susunod na round at ito na po yung magiging last round.
to tell you it's
Start of round 8 po tayo mga kaboxing.
fun.
The last and final round.
He's happy to tell
So I think kailangan ng knockout dito ni Albert Pagara
yeah.
para maipanalo niya ang laban. And I don't think magagawa pa yon ni Pagara na
Let's bring in the side.
patumbahin itong kanyang kalaban. Dahil mukhang
Keep doing what he's doing.
malamya po ang performance nitong ating kababayan. Hindi nga po ito suntok, hindi nagbitaw ng mga powerful punches. May counter punches siya pero
Gara
mukhang hindi po damaging.
get in front of his body and then he
At bira po tumama ng maganda.
was setting up the bolo. It looked,
At hindi ko nakitaan si Pagara dito na
of course, that did originate.
makailang beses lang umatake siya pero hindi po consistent. para masabi natin na
He's flicking out
maaari niyang maipanalo itong laban.
instructions to Bagara.
So in terms of aggressiveness, hindi po natin nakitaan si Pagara sa labang ito.
I don't speak Tagalog, so I can't tell you what they're saying.
Good job coming from Albert Pagara. At ito pa, sayaw-sayaw na lang si Pagara. Tinamaan pa siya doon ng 1-2 combination coming from Polkinghorne.
It's
So ito nakikita ko at
Foot here,
mukhang gusto lang ni Pagara na matapos na itong round.
but he also might need a knock.
At wala siyang balak maipanalo talaga itong laban.
okay.
Yun lang po ang nakikita ko mga kaboksing ano.
Against him just as
Good left coming from Polkinghorne.
Good jab.
Good exchange. Again, good exchange. Good job po para sa dalawang boksingero. Ayun.
the combination
Good left
from Billy Polkinghorne.
and right combination coming from Polkinghorne. Malalakas po yun.
Hammer has been consistent
At ito at napapatras dito si Albert Pagara.
down as yet.
Again, ibinababa ang kanyang depensa at mukhang magpapasuntok lang na naman itong ating kababayan.
Highland Jim, he's come here to fight. It's no walk.
I think may pagod na rin si Pagara.
Really doing it right.
Umatras po ang ating kababayan pero nagbibitaw po siya ng mga jabs.
In a very
Jabs lang ano at walang follow up ng kanyang right hand.
it's gonna be, it looks like it
Good left coming from Polkinghorne.
homecoming.
Definitely. I think he's fought this perfectly. All of it.
Good right coming from Pagara.
Tends
At ito,
winning.
8 seconds na lang, tapos na po ang laban.
And the only way to beat experience
Ayun.
is probably something. I feel like
So, I think magiging obvious ang desisyon nito. So, pakinggan po natin.
Championship rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for the decision. Our three judges, Carl Zapnia, Rob Rosso, Andrew Hine, all in agreement. We have 80 to 72 across all three scorecards. It is a unanimous points decision victory, and it goes in favour of your winner, who also becomes the new WBC Australasian Lightweight Gold Champion. He comes from Blue Corner.
So, ayun, via unanimous decision po. 80 by 72. I think ang naging score. So, si Polkinghorne po, si Billy Polkinghorne po ngayon,
The famous green
ang bagong Australasia Lightweight Champion. So, maraming salamat po mga kaboksing sa inyong panonood. At hanggang sa muli, para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Esports TV.
First of all, I want to say thanks to Pathway. Thanks to everyone who's come out here and support. It's so much to me, especially this is my 200th fight. It's a great privilege to be